forgive my manners. Good morning, good day, Morgan. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy George Kuta, and with Eldon Mauha. We are still busy with the car, removing every part that we can. Every part that we can. Hola, hola. Good morning. Good dag. Good morgen. Alles and Ian. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a good morning. We are back and we are busy removing everything that we can. As you can see, we removed the top. The rest you can mention yourself. And we are still busy removing everything.
We removed the starter. We are trying to get the motor out, the engine out.
Who told you to talk?
Oh, sorry.
Hey, the man is proud by you.
Sorry, man.
Oh, Eldon, now you can talk. It's too dark, man. This guy is too dark. The camera is even afraid. Oh, Eldon, how are you, bro? What are you doing to the camera?
Sorry, man.
Look at this guy. I'm on lift.
So, guys,
As you know, you must always have your safety boots on.
the camera should look at me. I'm not supposed to be dark. So, guys, welcome back to my channel with your boy George Kuta that did a very funny intro. Am I dark? Am I dark?
Yeah, you are dark, but you are light in the camera.
Come on. Look at this guy. So basically, we are trying to remove the engine of the VG30. It's part 2 of the VG30 rebuild. We are trying to get it out because we decided to put in new rings, new bearings. Yeah, so other than that, guys, we are just gonna check it out with the Cataroli and then start removing things apart from the engine, down from the sump, oil pan, to the oil pump, to the pistons, to the crankshaft.
Why are you sweating, bruh?
It's hot. It's tough. You just came now. You came late. He came late again. He came late again to the workshop. What do you have to say for yourself? What time is it? Let me see. 11:45.
Guys, don't listen to that guy. Imagine I'm taking the videos. Who is late? He came late in the video. I came first in the video. I greeted you first. Okay, other than that, back to the job. Oh, I'm on leave. I forgot. Okay. How did you do it?
I'll go home without your money. I'm driving now. As you guys saw in the last clip, we were struggling to remove the engine because the support is not so strong. Hold the camera, the light is nice from that side. No, not outside. They need to hear me. They need to see me also. They need to see the cute me. Ooh!
Like I ain't been around.
Guys, let me hold the camera. You need to teach this boy how to hold the camera also. So guys, we are going to get the engine jack. I don't know if you guys can see me. The light is tripping. Let me try to turn into this street and see if properly we can get proper lighting, proper good lighting. So guys, as you guys saw in the last video, we're going to get Wahonombo Handana. What? Mkuruanji.
You guys can sew.
Yes, you guys can sew.
Oh, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and keep on watching.
So guys, like I said,
As you saw,
as you saw,
as you can saw,
as you can saw, we were struggling to remove the engine. So now we are going to get the hydraulic jack, the one for the engines, especially for sedans. That is going to help us there. We are going to get it from another workshop. So let's get the hydraulic jack and get that engine out. So George,
hola.
these car's brakes do not work. So varo the brake ga ngora mutengwa. Batu matu agaenda komuna mbaya, tu agaenda komuna ndwene. Atuka pa nanjo atu ko homo no mahina. Atu hagaine poko dismantle mahina. Shimo igro shero shiri mambo itanawa dismantle. Perina mbaya. Look at it. Matara ndai muruhona, matara muru. Chicks. Nah, sharp later. Oh yeah? Konganda, this is what we're talking about, guys. Aungurani wahama urito hamut. This is the hydraulic jack. Yeah. It's not an easy job. It's not an easy job, but you can't give up also. Church is out here looking, I don't know, Church is in a different type of mood today. Lacking calcium, lacking complex. I think I should do, what time is it? Make him lunch. Probably George. I think I should organize lunch for him because hey. I think so. What time is it? You came at 12. For how long have you been here? But yeah guys, so the engine is out. The engine is out. So all we are gonna do is now remove the parts apart and then power wash everything. We even got the power washing equipment. Yeah, this is the one that I'm using. So yeah. So guys. So guys, I'm just gonna remove everything apart and then get back to you guys once we are inside. We are gonna remove the oil pan now. So once we are done there, we are gonna get back to you.
Any girl watching, I'm here, man. Watch here. You cannot even see the bicep.
I'm not doing anything.
Guys,
No,
you want the video to go forward, or you just want us to be
Yeah, oh, I'm not doing it. Okay, nah. Huh? I'm not doing anything. When you came in, Ninja practice.
still online. Anyways, guys, sorry, actually wanted to apologize, guys. Part 2 for the dropping A6. We just lost the content. We can't find it anymore, so I don't know what happened with these guys. Whatever that he did. Kevin Comnet, no, it's always
in his PJs. In his PJs. What
I'm off today. Today is my off day.
You didn't even call in sick or anything.
Today I'm off. It's my off day.
Hey, Muzi!
I'm babysitting.
What is this, bro?
Bruh, I'm off today.
You're off.
I feel sick.
Malcolm is
Sharp, see you.
See you.
Nano ngero papo refakaya.
red. Subscribe. The red part, bolted words just down there. You just click like this. Click like the like. You just click like like. You click and then. But I'm like trying to get. Okay, guys, just do what you do best. Watch, like, subscribe.
Wait,
Keep
the
on
camera
watching.
is dirty, guys. Let me just clean it for him.
Him is gone.
Better now. He was supposed to clean the camera. This guy.
As I said, guys, we did the
You are
cleaning.
dark.
We did the cleaning. So far they are getting dry. Maybe I just have to turn them like this and then all the water goes out. So we are done with the cleaning.
Not done, but for today.
Yeah, but yeah, whatever. Why am I hammering you down, man?
Bye. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye. Bye.